Good morning, everybody. We're still here. We didn't get washed away or anything like that. We did get a pretty good rain yesterday, though, just a soaking type, light soaking type rain. And here comes security. So I have a new security guard now. Hey, do you bring coffee too?
Once in a while. Yes, sir.
Coffee, please. Thank you, sir.
Slightly.
Hey, forgot something? Oh, seagulls. He was saying that the reason that we get so many aliens around here is because they love garlic and onions.
Huh?
And they smell that, and it makes they go nuts. Their behavior changes and everything, so we got to keep our garlic and onions hid. Was he saying something about I was talking about bees and flies yesterday. He was saying that the aliens use the bees and flies for protein.
Yeah.
And then they use
Put them in a large pan. I remember reading that. He's talking about one of those.
They cook them all up and put the onions and garlic on them. And
yeah.
Nah, that don't even sound good, does it?
Let's see, it was.
Yeah. The tent itself says it takes 5 minutes to set up. That took me 10 minutes.
Yeah. Tell them about what you did. About sticking the one thing in one side.
Well, it's got fiberglass poles on it, and you bend them over like that, and you put one in the ground on this side, and then you walk around and you bend this one down and put that one in the ground. But every time I would bend it and put it in the ground, this side would pop back up. Are you ready? Come on. You got to be in this too, huh? Okay, well, it's been a few weeks since I've made a video. Been hanging out the house, nothing to do, just stare at the walls, Got some doctor's appointments done and that sort of stuff. So, and then Allan showed up. Said he had to go camping, so all I needed was an excuse. So we're out at the lake, Roosevelt Lake, as a matter of fact. So I guess we're going to be here for a few days. It was 31 degrees last night. Warmed up pretty nicely this morning. Later in the week it's going to be in the high 60s, so that'll be good. And what else? The water level's up. Camp host. Oh, guess who's back?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, garçon. I was just going, hey, what about me? Okay. How's that? Thank you, garçon, for the coffee.
You're quite welcome.
What's for dinner? Now I'm pushing it now.
I keep telling you, save it for later.
Yeah.
I think you got it in the bag.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, you lost your booty.
Uh-oh.
Lost your booty, sweetie.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Better get that booty back on there.
Yeah. Can you believe that? Look at that dog with booties on.
Lost 2 of them.
She likes it, though. She prances all around,
Yeah, she's got a bounce in her step. Maybe it's the rubber on the bottom.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
But she's got a bounce in her step that she doesn't usually have.
Bees. Everywhere. Got my coat covered up. Let me see if I can get him. I have a little spaz attack here. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about was safety and be aware of your surroundings and all that. Get out of here. Bah. Boy, they're fast.